So over here you can see that I have a bunch of storyboards, and whenever you are exporting out the storyboard as a PDF file, what you can do is you can add in a cover page to it as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto File, and then you need to go around onto Export and then select PDF from over here. So once you do that, you can go around and select out a format that you want. And to work around with the cover page, you can click on Edit Profile. So once you do that, over here on the top, you can see cover is an option. And here you can have an option to show the cover, as you can see right here, and show the duration, date, and include notes, and show the file name over here as well in the cover page. So on the name, I'm just going to go around and name it as TutorTube example right here, just like this. And on the cover page, I'm going to select a background image. So in this case, I'm going to go around onto desktop where I have my logo file right here. So I want to use that image as the cover page image. So once everything is done, I'm going to press OK and then click on export, and I'm just going to overwrite this thing. So here it says revision note to insert on cover page. So I'm just going to go around and say this is an example note for cover page right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and press OK, and I'm going to say another example note right here, just like this. Press OK, and then what happens is that the export gets completed, as you can see. And there you go, there's the panel, as you can see right here, and on top of that you got the cover page right here. So you can see the example note right here as well. You can see the duration, you can see the logo right here, and the file name over here, as you can see. And this is what you have. It has exported out the cover page and has included it in the PDF file, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with cover page and then include it in a PDF file after exporting it from Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.